Hey everybody, Paul from Cary Estate Planning back with reason number 4 why a trust may be better for your family than a will-based plan, and that's going to be out of county or out of state real estate. So if you move to North Carolina from another state, but you maintain that property that you used to live in, maybe you're using it as a rental or as a vacation property, or if you've got 2 or more homes or properties in the state of North Carolina that may be outside of the county where you currently live, it may be a good idea to use a revocable trust to hold those properties or that property. Maybe you have something at the beach or in the mountains. The primary reason for that is it allows you to avoid, or more specifically, it allows your family to avoid what's called an ancillary probate. And essentially what that is after you pass away, the county where you live and where you're domiciled, essentially where you reside and intend to remain with no specific purposes or intentions of moving, that's going to be the primary jurisdiction for your probate. So your will and your applications for letters and those sort of things will be filed there. So when you have property outside of that county, the will and the probate file have to be replicated to the other county. Say it's Beaufort County or New Hanover if you have something at the beach, in order to pass title to real property down in the other county. So the will actually acts as the conveying instrument because there's no deed being generated. So the property or the probate file has to be replicated anywhere that you own real estate outside of your primary residence county. So that may be in another state, it may be in another county. It's a lot easier when it's in another county because North Carolina lawyers can generally practice statewide. But if you, for instance, have something out in California or in Colorado, your probate file has to be replicated in that state, specifically the county in that state where you have property, and usually requires the retaining of another lawyer there. And that can add a lot of expense, but more importantly, a lot of time to the probate process that's already there. So using a quitclaim deed and moving that real property wherever it should be located into your North Carolina trust may be very advantageous to streamline and make things just a little less burdensome for your family after you're gone. So that's reason number 4 why a trust may be better for your family than a will-based plan.